Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Google Nest Hub Max. Now this came from my friends over at Zoibien, and it's just shy of 5 million Vietnam dong, which is about £160. Right, so I'll just go through or go around the box with you so you can see the images and what it says. This is the Google system, so you can use it with things like Google Duo, YouTube, Google Photos, Maps, Spotify, etc. It should sound nice. It's got a big 360-degree speaker on the bottom, and hopefully it will sound and look really cool. Okay, you can stop the video anytime and just read through for yourself. Right, let's get my trusty knife. Let's give this an unbox for you. Okay, let's just cut down the sides here. There we go. Right, let's open this up. Okay, it's very heavy, but it's opening incredibly slowly. It's got a fair bit of suction on that box. And there we go. Right, so straight up on top you've got the Google Home Nest Hub Max, sorry. Right, looks nice. I like the colour of the chalk at the bottom, the speaker covering. It comes in two different colours, chalk and I believe charcoal, which is a darker colour. But the screen surround is white on both of them, so I went for the chalk colour because I thought it looked nicer. Standing next to my iMac, it blends in nicer as well. Right, in here you've got a little bit of documentation. It doesn't tell you much, it's the same documents that you get. It's asking you about permissions and things for Google listening to your conversations, basically. In here you've got a 2-pin plug. Now this will work with America, and of course in Vietnam here we've got the 2-pin plug. This is the flat pin, so I believe it's America. European pins are circular. Right, we've got a couple of little plastic clips here. I thought they were cardboard, but they're not. And it looks like you can reuse them, so they may come in handy somewhere else. Okay, here's a close-up of the plug. It's got a little G on the back for Google, and the other side is just a socket. It's about 1 meter long. I don't know why they make the cables so short. My outlet is a lot further away from that. I've had to use an extension. I think they should provide at least a 2-meter cable, don't you? Let me know in the comments what you think about that. Alright, let's take this screen plastic off. I know you all love to hear that plastic coming off. Right, okay, let's plug this in and go through the setup process. Be right back.
Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This is where you can control some of the settings for this device, like screen brightness, volume, and a few other things. To hide these controls, tap anywhere on the screen. Now that we've talked about swiping, let's look at some things that you can see on your screen. To check out your day, tap anywhere on the screen. Throughout the day, I'll have new things here for you. Anything from what's on your calendar to top hits on YouTube. To see more of what I have for you, scroll right. Almost finished. You can ask me all sorts of questions, and I'll do my best to get you an answer. Try asking me how to bake croissants on YouTube.
How old is Donald Trump?
Donald Trump is 74 years old. Barack Obama is 59 years old.
What time is it in London?
The time in London, UK is 8:20 a.m.
Play some royalty-free music.
Okay, royalty-free music by Workout Music. Here it is on Spotify.
Stop.